Social media links will give you the ability to store the addresses of social media accounts associated with candidates, contacts, and companies. On both candidates and contacts, you will notice social media icons to the top right of the record. These will either be greyed out or coloured in. Go to the View More menu and select Social Media Links. By default, you will be able to search on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Against your selected media, click on the search icon. This will launch a new tab searching the social media for the candidate, contact, or company. Once you have found the required profile, take a copy of the web address and return to Colleague. Press Add New and paste in the web address. Now click Save. You will notice that the social media icon has now been coloured in. Repeat this process for all media types. From now on, whenever you are in the record, you will be able to click on the social media icon to access the associated account.